Hey guys, let me introduce to you ChainList. So ChainList Finance is basically a platform, a social media platform like Facebook, IG, and Instagram or Twitter, where you could convert those content that you're posting as an NFT and basically get a 5% royalty on each of those trades. And as you can see, it's a new coin. It's already listed on CoinMarketCap, and right now it's has a momentum, keeps going up. All right, as you can see, it's also listed on CoinGecko. Now, if you want to take a look at their website, it's basically it's a decentralized social media NFTs, and you could read the white paper and stuff and learn more about this. And they're trying to do a metaverse event as well. Metaverse is the new trend in technology and cryptocurrency space. And they do have app, but it's still on development or application. So take a note of this exciting project. And there's a lot of influencer or reviewing this stuff. Alright. Now the good thing about this is you can participate in getting their token airdrop rather. I will link the airdrop link on the description to join their bot campaign. So you'll get equivalent of $5 or 2,160 CLIST or chain list token. That's equivalent to $5. And if you introduce this to your friends, you'll get additional 2,807 C list or equivalent to $6.50 BUSD or equivalent to a dollar. All right. Um, so if you're very good in referring people, so you'll get on the top 385 referrers, and you'll get that amount of CLIS. Total of 5.4 million CLIS tokens. That's equal to 12,500 BUSD or $12,500 US. I think it's divided to top 385 people. Good in referring, by the way. Start this, and you can see the task. Basically, um, check out their website. We already done that. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. So subscribe to their YouTube channel so you get notified. And all instructions are here. So basically, all you have to do is just follow their socials. So Twitter page. All right, already follow that. Join their Discord. If you don't have a Discord app, download the Discord app, sign up, create an account, and join their Discord channel. So accept that. All right, and there's like instructions here. All communication will be address here, announcement, right? Airdrop addresses and stuff. So discussions, general informations, if you wanna rules and stuff, right? And partnered Twitter page. So this is where you get the airdrop alerts. So they paid that page to promote this. So it's a marketing effort that they're currently doing. So what's the instructions there? So retweet the top message, I believe. follow the partner's Twitter and retweet airdrop. Okay, so you just have to retweet these with the quote. Just put hashtag CLIST or whatever you want. Airdrop, right? Tweet and get this fish. I mean, tap this fish icon and copy that. You need that later. Uh, all right, Telegram channel of the promoter, YouTube channel. We already done that. Oh, okay. The promoters YouTube channel. Um, all right. The ChainList Finance Telegram group. Another Telegram group. Okay. And you must complete all the tasks. And once you've done that, tap checked. Okay. Join airdrop. Submit details. Tap done. Submit profile link. So already copied the retweet link, and I'm just gonna paste that here and erase the other links. I posted my profile there. uh, Discord link, example chain link and stuff. So go to Discord,